Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to make the world famous Mexican street style corn on the cob, okay? I have here my corn and these are ready, and I left one just like this. I could show you guys how to remove the husk. So when we are cleaning these, make sure that you guys have either a trash can nearby, somewhere where we could dispose of all this, because as tasteful as they are, they do come with quite a mess, and we're trying to get rid of all this stuff. These have tons and tons of layers, and they also come with these silky strings that we also want to get rid of. Make sure that you guys, once we get rid of all the strings, the husk, we take this part apart. I like cutting the end if I can. Sometimes it's pretty hard. If not, this bottom part too. You don't have to, but I do it. Okay. Could you guys see all this? All the strings. They're pretty silky, but you don't want them in your elote. Okay. So I'm gonna get rid of my trash. I'm gonna give my elote a quick rinse. Okay. So we are gonna put our elotes to boil. So if you guys wanna come here. We're also gonna need some salt. I'm gonna be adding 1 tablespoon of salt. This is, you guys could add a pretty good amount of salt. It's not gonna salt the elote, but it's gonna bring out the flavor. And so don't worry about if you guys add too much salt. It's not gonna, like I said, it's not gonna make them salty. So we're gonna place these in the water. This size pot is 6 quarts, and I put 6 cups of water. If you guys notice that there's still some of these silky strings when you guys are putting them in, you guys try to take them out. They're pretty hard, but take out as many as you can, okay? And we're gonna place them here to cook. Okay, we're gonna start cooking them, and we'll be back to check on them to see how they're doing. So the corn is ready. What I did, I cooked this for 15 minutes and I let it boil. What I also did, I covered it up with the lid, and then that helps keep all the steam in, making the whole corn cook a little faster. So this is what they look like. Let me show you guys. Nice and juicy. Okay, good to go. So I'm gonna show you guys how to dress up your corn. Yesterday I found these, I don't know what they're called. They are good to hold the, corn skewers. And these are pretty helpful because you're able to attach them to each end of the corn, and you're able to hold it. So when you're eating it, it makes it easier. So here comes the fun part. You guys are gonna need some butter, some mayonnaise. I add up to mine the Parmesan cheese, Queso fresco, and to give it some spice, cayenne pepper, or one of my favorites. This one's called chili lime. This guy's is the best, especially with the corn. So let me show you guys. You guys are gonna need some butter. My mouth is already watering because it smells so good. Okay, so make sure that you guys add enough butter to the whole elote. And after the butter, you don't have to go in any particular order, but it always helps when you guys put for example, the mayonnaise or the butter. These help. They act like a paste for when you're putting the queso fresco and the Parmesan. Okay. With this recipe, you guys are now gonna learn how to eat that famous corn that they sell when you guys go to the county fair, or sometimes they have them with the street vendors. So, okay, I'm gonna roll my corn onto the Mexican cheese or queso fresco, and I'm gonna add some Parmesan. I love cheese. Okay, and I'm gonna do a little bit of cayenne pepper. You guys can see it? Looks good, huh? Okay, and last, my favorite, chili lime. If you guys have any questions of where you guys could buy these products, let me know. Make a comment and I'll let you guys know where I buy them. Okay, so this is the corn. Oh my goodness, guys. Smells delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna make some more for my kids and husband. I hope you guys are enjoying this recipe. Try it at home. Also, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Tell all your family friends, right? I'm gonna make more recipes, so keep posted. I will see you guys soon. I'm gonna enjoy this. Provecho!